In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the background color on your Instagram story. Step by step, no confusion, no extra apps needed. So let's open the Instagram app on our phone. And this will work for iPhone, as well as Android devices, so just follow the steps. I'm going to open my Instagram story camera by swiping from the left side to the right, and our job now is to add the photo to our story to which we want to change the color. I will add this airplane photo as an example, and you can see that the background of this story is between a gray and black color. But let's change this. The best way to do this is to tap on these three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then select the Draw tool. Once this tool is selected, long press anywhere on the background of your Instagram story, and the whole story will change the color, but our photo will disappear. Don't worry, we'll fix that in a second. If you want to change the background, select the color at the bottom, and I'll select blue. Then long press on the screen, and the whole screen will change the color. Now, in order to add our photo to this new background, I'm going to click on this little sticker icon, then find the photo option. That's going to open our photo gallery, so just find that photo and add it to your story once again. And that's about it. We can now use the Draw tool once again, and then change the colors easily. Just select the color, long press on the background, and the color will be changed instantly. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like, and I will see you soon.